My dear ones, this is just a video shot from the recovery garden at the East Infectious Disease Center, where I am undergoing treatment for COVID-19. I just thought sending this message out to those of you who are my loved ones, at least will let you know I've survived it for 5 days, and therefore I encourage anybody who is afflicted not to be afraid, because yes, COVID is real, but healing is equally real if we will do the best. My advice is what I call the 3 P's: prayer, protocols, and prayer. And you can add 2 more to it, and protocols and prayer, so it becomes 5.